Its IoT heat map and sentiment analysis solution gives you the chance to discover your customer's world. Now you can monitor customers' traffic and analyze your customers based on gender or age. You can even measure your customer's level of satisfaction by detecting the captured feelings. Moreover, you can visualize real-time data over Microsoft Power BI Smart Dashboards. For marketers, identifying customers' desires and measuring their reactions toward your products and services to deliver curated marketing content suitable for upselling and cross-sales. Its IoT heat map and sentiment analysis solution revolutionizes the retail experience.